Login into Shopee account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your Shopee account. In order to log in into your Shopee account, make sure that you have already registered, and then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. On the web address bar, type in www.shopee.co.id. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. So this is going to take you to the official website, and in order to log in into your account, click on the login button located right on top. So as soon as you click on it, you'll be directed to the login page, and on this field what you need to do is you can either log in with your QR code, or else you can also log in using your Facebook or Google account. However, this method depends on the way that you've created your account. In my case, I've used my email address or my phone number, and I need to enter in my password. So quickly enter in the information. After you're done entering your email address, now provide in the password associated with your Shopee ID and click on the login button. After that, you'll be logged into your account if you have provided the valid information. However, if you're unable to log in into your account, you can just tap on forgot password button right over here, and then you'll be able to recover your account. In this way, you can log in into your Shopee account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.